Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And today we got a new code for Rbxoffers. So basically you want to come to the promo code and just type in SCRIBBLER to redeem it. You've already redeemed this code. You see I redeemed it down here for 1 Robux. So you can join the hourly giveaways right here. It's gonna end in 6 minutes. I will do a video if I win that. But you can also go do surveys like that, like do Fortnite surveys or Minecraft surveys or football, local quiz, retro video games. And if you actually subscribe to their YouTube channel, you can get 1 Robux, so make sure you guys do that. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.